HTML styles. The HTML style attribute is used to add styles to an element such as color, font, size, and many more. Setting the style of an HTML element can be done with the style attribute. The HTML style attribute has the following syntax. The property is a CSS property. The value is a CSS value. Background color. The CSS background color property defines the background color of an HTML element. Text color. The CSS color property defines the text color of an HTML element. The CSS font family property defines the font to be used in an HTML element. The CSS font size property defines the text size of an HTML element, whereas the CSS text align property defines the horizontal text alignment for an HTML element.